Hi, let me show you a case of humerus fracture treated by biological smart fixation method, a stitch below and a stitch above surgery. A 15-year-old female sustained humerus fracture due to trauma by bullock. It was long spiral oblique displaced fracture. A good reduction was achieved by U-slab, but she did not accept plastering mobilization technique and the method for a long time. So surgery started with checking shoulder joint, the joint above, and the elbow joint, the joint below. Reducibility and filling of crepitus checked. Using 3.2 mm steel drip tip pin from lateral condyle, distal medulla reached by careful drilling. After confirmation in both views, passage widened by its cannulated 4 mm drill. Proper size of 3.5 mm under nail selected and a gentle S-shaped contour given. Nail negotiated into proximal fragment. Oh, it was missed in lateral view. The exceptional advantage of band tip helped to negotiate it correctly on second attempt. Confirming satisfactory path, the nail hammered slowly ahead. The S contour was derotated while pounding the tip more proximally. While tip was pointed towards calcar, and smart reduction was happening. Finally, when first nail was placed in neck, good reduction was achieved. By sharp awl proximal entry made on lateral cortex below greater tuberosity. Second proper size 3.5 mm under nail contoured in C shape. At around 5 mm proximal to the tip, a distal bend given for the best press fit inside distal narrow end of the canal. Slowly and attentively, the nail hammered to cross the fracture site. Often missed just to separate butterfly fragment is displaced. Gently, the distal tip rotated and found no advantage, hence derotated. Nail negotiated in distal fragment and distal tip of the nail manipulated for best press fit fixation. Fixation and stability checked in multiple views. Shoulder and elbow checked for any impingement. A step below and a step above were used. That's it. Postoperative status discussed in next day ground round and found satisfactory. She was encouraged to do only active mobilization, and this was her movements at 4 weeks. Micromotion induced by press fit under nails showed union in progress at 10 weeks. Biological smart fixation offers press fit fixation due to assembly of S and C shaped contoured elastic nails. This is a happy fixation, resulted in full power recovery. I'm eager to receive your comments and questions. Thank you for watching.